Welcome to the installation guide for the constant hot water module, brought to you by Faster Hot Water. In addition to the module itself, you will need the flow monitor, 2.1mm jack, and wire connectors. The tools that you will need are wire cutters and strippers. In this video, they're one and the same. Start by cutting the flow monitor wire right in the middle. Next, strip both sides to expose about a ½ inch of bare copper. Now that the wires are exposed, we can tie everything together using wire caps, wire nuts, or 3-port connectors. All that is required is to connect the same colored wires together. Blue will go to blue, brown will go to brown. Everything is now tied in and ready for the final step. Plug the 2-pin Molex connector into the female receptacle on the pump's power cord. Follow this by plugging the 2.1mm jack into the appropriate side of the module. Lastly, give it power and you've now completed the installation of the constant hot water module. The pump should turn on for a few seconds and then turn back off. Thanks for watching.